the action. Lighthouse base. Walls. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. An island directly ahead. Let's turn the wheel to the right to get past. There are rocks directly ahead. Turn the wheel to the... Great! We got past all the obstacles. Now we need to fill it. Container ship. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's put the top part on. It's time to sail to the port. There are rocks to wreck. There's an island on our way. Right, rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. You're doing really great. Let's add the windows and doors. Now we need to fill it. Ship carrier. Press the pump. Done. Let's build the pier. Let's load the materials into yellow barge. Keep it up. Let's add some plants. The lighthouse on the rocks is finished. Now it will show the way to ships.